And I will say that there aren't too many people in the online space, talking about Pinterest. And it's unfortunate to me because most of the marketing strategies they're talking about are really time intensive,
Hmm.
as far as social media. And a lot of people I work with don't get a lot of traction from their social media and they're kind of stuck. They've done all the things they were supposed to do.
All the
Um,
lives, all the posting 3 times a day, and they're exhausted. And I
yeah,
think with Pinterest, I think you can post videos,
yes.
and but there's no lives to do, I don't think.
Nope,
But
no lives to do. No, this is my one of my favorite things about Pinterest. You don't need followers. You don't, like on Instagram, we're like thinking about how do I get more followers? People are, I mean, and if you're in Facebook groups with business people, you see people are
yes,
obsessed
they
with getting
are.
followers. And even in that, I will say, even on social media, followers are not all that important. You
No,
can
because
build
they're
a,
not buyers necessarily. They're just
yeah,
people that may or may not like your stuff.
exactly. And you don't need that many dedicated people to have a very successful full-time business. Way less than 1,000 people in your space that you've truly connected with and that you speak directly to and that you genuinely care about and serve. You can have easily have a full-time business. And so I'm like, just focus on making one new connection at a time. 1,000 people is not that many. It's actually a huge room of people, if you think of it that way.
Hmm.
If you could get in front of those people and really connect with them. So yes, on Pinterest, you do not need to worry about getting followers at all. You just need to optimize your content. The viewers and the followers will come, but it has no bearing on the success of your content on Pinterest.
That's awesome for everyone that's working themselves to the bone, going crazy over content for Instagram and Facebook. You really, really need to consider jumping on board with Pinterest. And I've been, excited, especially, I'm just starting to use it for my coaching services. And so, but I've always been happy with my progress and my sales.